In 1951, psychologist Solomon Asch asked a simple question: how much can other people change what we are willing to call true? To test it, he created one of psychology's most famous experiments. A participant entered a room with several other people. They believed the others were fellow participants. They were not. They were actors, placed there to influence the room. The task was simple. The participants saw one line on a card, then another card with 3 lines of different lengths. They only had to say which line matched the first. The answer was obvious. At first, the actors gave the correct answer. The participant relaxed. Then came the critical trials. All the actors gave the same wrong answer, confidently, calmly, as if it were obvious, and the real participant answered last. That is when the pressure began. You can see the correct answer with your own eyes. You're sure of it. But everyone else in the room says something different, one by one, without hesitation. Suddenly, doubt creeps in. Asch found that 75% of participants gave the wrong answer at least once. Across the critical trials, the overall error rate was 37%. In a control group with no social pressure, the error rate was less than 1%. The shocking part was not that people failed to see the line. They saw it. The shocking part was that many still changed their answer. Some began to doubt their own perception. Others knew the answer was wrong but gave it anyway, just to avoid standing out. To avoid being the only one. That is the quiet power of social pressure. Asch later changed the experiment. When just one other person gave the correct answer, conformity dropped sharply, from 37% to 5%. One person was enough. Not a majority, not authority, just one honest voice saying what it actually saw. Asch's experiment was never really about lines on a card. It was about the cost of disagreement, about how much people will give up, perception, certainty, even truth, just to belong. And that does not only happen in a lab. It happens at work, in relationships, in classrooms, online, anywhere people stay silent because everyone else seems so certain. Most people are not weak. They are human. They are wired for belonging. But Asch's work shows something hopeful too. You do not always need a crowd to resist pressure. Sometimes you only need one person willing to say, "That is not what I see." And that can change everything. What would you do if everyone in the room told you the wrong answer was right?